So ICF International Coaching Federation provides some wonderful opportunities to its members. They have created a coaching world article sharing platform in which different coaches share their articles, and they good thoughts with all the community, coaching community. I've also shared some articles there, and this is the one which I am sharing with you today through this video is by Jessica Singh, who has written an article on creating a safe container for your client, and that was published in Coaching World. And then ICF has posted this extract of this on the LinkedIn, and I'm going to share in few slides what it actually means and how it creates a very interesting argument for all the coaches and the clients that how they can, how and why they should be engaging an ICF trained coach, because that's how ICF trains its coaches and creating a safe space for its people, for all the clients. So creating a container that feels safe for a coaching transformation. And the trauma-informed coaches know trauma-informed coaches are those coaches who are specifically trained and in creating a safe space after trauma, and they integrate coaching practice and their own practice of how after trauma they can treat people. And the trauma-informed coaches know that safety comes first. Transformation will follow. So how do you create safety? So what they mean is that you have to feel safe, and then you will start transforming. If you relate this with the Maslow's hierarchy, in that also the first stage is safety. The safety, the filling of your belly, that are the two bottom line Maslow hierarchy of needs things. And that's exactly what here is said also, that transformation will come, but first your client needs to feel safe. And how do you feel safe? Clear agreements. One, which is a very important element of every ICF coach, is that they clear agreements with their clients. They have a very transparent, on the table, written agreement with them. And which says is, here is what you can expect from me and what I need from you. So both the sides, the client and the coach, need to clear both these things. Then establishing a rapport and trust with your client. You decide what to share and when to share. So it gives a lot of safety to your client that they own this process. And you as a coach have to decide with your client that they have to share. It's their prerogative when they can share, what they want to share. It is they who will be deciding it. Then the boundaries matter. It's okay to say no, pause, or change direction. So client has a boundary, you have a boundary also, and you create this safe space for your client uh, to let them know that they can say no to if they don't want to answer anything. They can pause for movements, and perhaps they can change directions also of a coaching engagement. They started to within agreement. They started with a objective of achieving A, but during the course of their discussion, they found that it's better to have C also, or only C, or only D. So they have to have a good uh, agreement on that they can change direction also. And the result, when clients feel truly safe, they can assess their deepest wisdom. Creating containers isn't just good practice, it's essential for sustainable change. So, this is basically if you create a safe space for them, for your client, if you have an open argument, with them that they can do, they have to decide what they want to share. Once they have that safe space with them, not the container perhaps, but perhaps a safe space, it creates a sustainable change for your clients. Thank you very much.